Landers at Cebu. I'm at Landers, Cebu City. So, may bibili lang ako dito, guys. Tapos, uwi din ako mamaya. May bibili lang siya, tapos, uwi din tayo. Landers. Lawak na. Ah! Landers, Cebu City. I'm just gonna buy something here at Landers.
I'll put my own lunch.
Oh, they have ice cream. Landers, Cebu. Mas maganda ang Landers dun sa Davao. Sobrang laki. Tapos, ang daming choices ng food doon. Dito parang ang konti lang. But anyway, try to order something. Landers Central. Name as you go. True. Ito ako sa loob, guys. So, that's all for today.